Moi Moi, the hungry meal. As I want to peel this beans now. Do you relate with that? Welcome back to Spice and Simplicity with Julie, where we make delicious meals effortlessly. Today I'll be showing you how to peel beans quickly for Moi Moi, Akara, or any dish that might need peeled beans. Comment below and let me know how you normally prepare your beans or what methods you use to peel the beans before making Moi Moi or Akara or any dish. Today all we need is our beans. Today I'm using the honey bean, brown beans. I love the taste. We also need our bowls and sieve. So let's go over and start washing. First, we soak the beans for 5 minutes to enable the beans to absorb the water. So leave it for 5 minutes. After the beans have been soaked for 5 minutes, I will now sieve the beans to remove the water. And you can see this beans has absorbed some of the water. I can start peeling the beans now. Peel it with my 2 hands. We do this twice or thrice. So after rubbing the beans together to remove the skin, so we'll add water to separate the skin from the beans. We do this twice and you're ready with your peeled beans. So as you can see, the skin is floating. So that's what we're going to remove now. Pour water again. See how easy the skin is going off? So let's drain this out. We're draining the skin off. So we're washing it now for the last time. Then we'll drain it finally. So this is easy. Just use your 2 hands. Squeeze. Okay. So let's add water. Same process to remove the skin. You can see the squeezing as your just be careful not to pull out your things, just the skin. Almost getting it clear. See, we're almost done. It's still less than 10 minutes, right? Drain this. Surprise. One time. Let's rinse. We need to separate all the So you keep rinsing till everything is off. Now everything is off, just one more rinse. All this was done within 10 minutes. Easy, right? Easy. So our peeled beans is ready, all within 10 minutes. Remember to drop your comment. Let me know what other method you use to peel your beans for moi moi or akara or any dish that requires peel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe so you can be receiving great recipes from Spice and Simplicity with Julie. Next video I will show how to make the moi moi.